Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into an administrator account so you can change authentication settings. This is necessary because standard users can't remove biometrics. Once logged in, open Settings, choose Accounts, then Sign in Options. Make sure you know your current password or PIN because Windows will prompt you to confirm. If your HP laptop came with HP Client Security, also have that app in mind. You'll check it next. Now proceed to the Windows Hello Fingerprint section to remove the fingerprint. You should now see Windows Hello Fingerprint listed. Click it and choose Remove, then confirm by entering your PIN or account password. This unregisters biometric data from Windows. If the Remove button is grayed out, make sure Windows is up to date and restart, because updates or lock policies can block changes. Also check HP Client Security or any enterprise management app if the fingerprint was enrolled there. Open that utility and disable fingerprint enrollment to fully clear stored templates. Once removed, restart the laptop to ensure the fingerprint option disappears from the lock screen. This confirms templates were cleared. If you still see a fingerprint prompt, open Device Manager, expand Biometric Devices, right-click the fingerprint sensor and uninstall the driver, then reboot. Windows will stop offering the biometric sign-in. If the device is managed by your organization, make sure any management profile is updated to allow biometric removal. If problems persist, update or reinstall the sensor driver and repeat the removal steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.